Hi class, for this lab you're going to need the following. So you're going to need any Word document, and this will be the easiest way to capture pictures for your actual project. So any Word document, just open it up and leave it there. You don't have to actually name it since we're not going to use it. We're just going to copy a picture. Then you're also going to need a Google Docs, and this Google Doc, label it as Lab 11, and you're also going to need the actual, to open this link. And what this link does is it's going to give you, it actually takes you to a bank of actual data sets. The main objective of our project is going to be to do data analysis on a data set. And as you can see, this one has pages 1 through a ton of data sets. Now, all I need you to do is look at these data sets and select one. I do have a requirement on the ones that you're looking at, and it has to have more than 30 values. Now, for this one, I just want you to take a look at the data sets, but the one that you're submitting should have more than 30 values, since one portion of this is to tell me how large is the data set. And once you find one that may actually be of interest, then I need you to open it. We can take a look at the cost of a wedding if it's a large data set. Let's take a look. No, it's actually not. It has only 25 values. So let me pick the pennies. I think this was a large data set. Okay, so the penny one is decent for this lab, and this one has, oh shoot, it has a ton of data values. So you just have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and mine is saying, there we go. This one has 800 values. So you just have to scroll, and the actual video doesn't let me, but it's on the right hand side, the bar. This one has 800 actual values for the data set. Okay, so I don't need a picture of all values. You can just go all the way to the top, and then you're gonna obtain a picture of the first 10 will be sufficient. So now, to take a picture or a screenshot of this data set, open the actual Word file, then go to the insert feature and then screenshot, and go to screen clipping and make sure that the actual, the data set it's behind it. Otherwise, you may be looking at the Google Docs. And all I need is a picture that has the first 10. Now, you are submitting part of the text entry, the total size of the data set. Now, at this moment, your actual picture lives in the Word file, and then you can save it. Place it somewhere in your actual computer. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take it to the desktop, and I'm going to put it in Lab 11. I'm labeling it as Lab 11 picture. I don't think it's going to give me, let me label that as data set. You can put any name. That's just for you to actually retrieve it. Okay, save it. And at this point, if everything worked as expected, you have this actual picture saved in your computer, which is part of the data set. And then now what I need you to do is go to Lab 11 in the Google Doc. So label it as Lab 11, and then find the picture and then insert it. So you're gonna go to insert image and then upload from your computer. And then this is gonna go to, I think I have it in the desktop, Lab 11, and then there is the actual image. Okay, all I need to see is that you were able to embed the picture. There's multiple ways that you can actually put a picture in a Google Doc, but since you're gonna be using some Excel file or other websites to run and get some actual graphs, this will be an easy way to embed it into the Google Docs. Okay, so what you're submitting here is the following. A link to the document, so you can find the link here. Any link is fine. I just want to make sure that you can actually embed it into the actual well, you can embed the picture into the Google Doc, and then also you're submitting in the comment section the actual size of the data set. So I need you to go all the way to the bottom. For the pennies, we had to go all the way to 800 and something. I already forgot. But you can just click here and then go all the way to the bottom. I think it was 800 and something. So you just have to do that for your data set. And that's actually it for this one.